One day I was eating mangoes that my father had bought for the family. Those mangoes were so sweet and delicious that I was eating mangoes like animals. My mother saw me eating mangoes and she scolded me for my behavior. But my sister started laughing at me. She always used to make fun of me in front of her friends. I like his friend Rina a lot, but I didn't have courage to tell my feelings for her because I am a very shy person. I saw Rina for the first time in a dance competition where my own sister was also participating. In that competition my sister won the first prize, but Rina won my heart with her looks and dance. Rina is a well-behaved girl and helps me a lot. One common thing between us is that we are both animal lovers. She has 2 lovely cats and I have a dog. My dog is quite aggressive towards unknown people, but he is extremely loyal and lovable to me. His name is Bruno and his breed is Bulldog. He is a medium-sized, muscular dog of around 40 kilograms. He have large heads with thick folds of skin around the face and shoulders. My dog is friends with Rina. In the beginning Rina was afraid of Bruno, but later Bruno and Rina became good friends. One day we planned a trip together for the zoo. Rina was excited for going to the zoo. She was so happy, because the zoo was her favorite place and she loved pet animals and wild animals as well. When we got there, we went to the monkey house first. We loved their playful faces and their curly tails. We could watch their funny activities for some time. Our second stop was the giant bird cage. We saw very colorful birds. They made so much noise and had such pretty feathers. After that, we went to the fish tank. It was very big. There were many kinds of fish and aquatic animals. They had such big eyes, colorful skin and swam so well. The big cats were next. The tigers and lions were too scary when they growled. It was not at all like her cat at home. They were so heavy and dangerous looking. Then we went to visit the reptile house. We really didn't like things with scales. They were kind of gross, but also interesting. She cringed when she saw the snakes and their slithery tongues. Finally, we went to the safari area. We rode on a small jeep as they went around looking at animals from far away. There were things like elephants, zebras, and giraffes. A hyena barked at her and made her laugh. A kangaroo hopped away from the jeep. It was so exciting. While coming home she told me that she would become a veterinary doctor. After becoming veterinary doctor she will work at the zoo. Story to be continued.